Stern is trying to go big on TikTok. If you're tired of not knowing what TikTok is, then you'll love watching this clout-chasing millennial get to the bottom of the world's hottest app.
You're not going to be famous if you don't do this.
What's a TikTok meme? What's a banger? What's hashtag FYP? Try not to hashtag cringe.
Yeet!
In this installment of I, a millennial, tried to make a viral TikTok. A banger?
The reason I'm doing this is because I want to be TikTok famous. Because if you're not TikTok famous in life, what really are you? Old, I guess, which is what I am. A week ago, I set out to make a viral TikTok and discover the world of TikTok memes.
Heard if you give your dog an egg, they know how to be super fragile. Okay, so Cash, here you go. Wanna open your mouth? Wow.
But before we get to that, TikTok. I wasn't rolling. TikTok is very hard. Browser, don't eat the raw egg. Draw the raw part. That. TikTok is the video sharing app dominating the lives of every teenager right now. It's all about making, watching, and sharing 15 to 60-second videos, most with music. Open the app and you're in the For You feed. This is an endless feed of videos the algorithm thinks you'll like. Keep swiping up and you get more and more and more and more and more and more and more videos. It's incredibly easy to make your own video and add music to it. That means so many dancing and lip-syncing videos. But TikTok is much more than that now. Memes are central to TikTok, and I blame them for why I got completely hooked on the app. A meme is really anything that spreads on the internet, and that is iterated on or reinterpreted. On TikTok, a meme can be a song, a dance, a filter, even a hashtag that lots of people start to post. But I just had to find out, how do you make a viral TikTok? Or what the kids call
be a banger on TikTok. Absolute sheer bangers.
Bangers, in my opinion, because they got millions of views, and yeah.
A banger is like, it's like a hit. Like, yeah, like, yo, that's fire. That's a banger. Yeah, like.
Just learning what a banger wasn't enough. I needed to learn how to make one.
See what's trending. Like, you want to go to the For You page. You want to look at what everyone is doing and see what's popping, what's in.
Honestly, I think that the more relatable it is, the better it is. Because, yeah, I just think if people relate to it, they're going to love it. They're just going to eat it up.
It's the simple stuff that go viral. It's more about, like, what caption you put. The video could be, like, trash. If your caption is good, the video is good.
So with that, I set out to make some TikToks of my own by joining a couple of different memes. So a thing I think is very funny on TikTok is people are making their own shoes and they're pairing the video with Iggy Azalea's work.
Walk a mile in these Louboutins.
So I'm making AirPod heels with the most advanced tools you could possibly get. All my credibility is going down the drain right now. Now I need to set up the shot of me walking. Okay, hit video, hit record. Okay, gonna strut it.
Walk a mile in these Louboutins.
Feeling really nice with these. Thinking about wearing them to the next Apple event. Within a few hours of posting it, I had 100 new followers and 600 views, but a far cry from a banger.
These heels look nice.
I tried a few other popular memes while I was at it, like where you give your dog a raw egg, and another where you put Mentos in Diet Coke. Those didn't exactly take off. How are you supposed to get it in and then close it? I had to try something else, and I'd heard about collabing. He just wants to lick it. So I went to the pros. I headed to Trenton, New Jersey to meet the Splash Twins, two 17-year-olds who have 2.6 million followers on TikTok.
I'm Shelly. I'm Anna. I'm Shelly. I'm Anna. I'm Shelly. I'm Anna.
How often do you TikTok?
10. A lot. That's most of our day. Yeah. Like, I'll be in class. If I'm not doing anything in class, I'll just be in class with my AirPods in, just scrolling through TikTok. The only time we're not on TikTok is during basketball practice, which is from 2:30 to 4:30. I mean, school too, in class, but like, if I'm done my work, yeah, I scroll through TikTok. So we find ideas for lunch so we can make videos in lunch.
You think we can make a banger?
Yeah, we can make a banger. We're gonna make a banger here, right now, today.
Shelly and Anna told me that music is core to the dances they pick.
So the try part. So when you put this leg out, this arm goes like that.
Okay, whoa.
So it's just like 1, 2, and then go back. Yeah.
They're so supportive and nice. Let's keep repeating it. I'm so sorry. Repetition of that. After an hour, I finally had it down. I think that was it.
Yeah, me too.
I posted it, and thanks to the Splash Twins' following, I got 500 views in the first hour or so.
That's good.
I hearted it already. That tapered off, and it hit about 1,500 views in the next few days.
Right.
I also grew my follower count to about 500. It's all one big cycle. A meme takes off, you riff on it and post your own. You keep checking the app for those likes, shares, and views. And then TikTok feeds you more memes in your For You page that you're probably gonna wanna join in on next. It's been a week. I made a lot of TikToks. I made 0 bangers. But I learned a lot along the way. And the biggest thing I think I've learned is that TikTok really perpetuates or accelerates the meme cycle. And it hooks you. Big time.
That's it for this installment. Tune in next time when Joanna Stern learns about another thing teens are doing.
Down. Yeah. So ready, set, go. That's the whoa.
That's the whoa. Yeet.
Great.